Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. In a previous tutorial, we've crafted the beaded octopus, and many of my subscribers suggested the seahorse for the next Suncatcher tutorial. So here you go. This is whimsical and perfect for a window charm, car mirror decoration, or even a unique gift. Before we begin, here's a quick look at the materials. They'll appear on screen so you can pause and check everything carefully. And if you'd like to save time, I've put together a full DIY kit with all the exact beads and wires I'm using. You'll find the link in the description below. Step 1. Make the tail. Cut a 1 meter piece of wire and fold it in half. Using round nose pliers, make a small loop in the middle, almost like a little hook. This loop will hold the beads and also help form the natural curve of the tail. Now let's start stringing the beads. Begin with this sequence. Blue diamond 4 millimeters. Orange diamond 4 millimeters. And repeat 3 times. Then, switch to multicolor diamond 4 millimeters. Orange diamond 4 millimeters. Also repeated 3 times. After that, move into larger beads. 1 deep yellow 6 millimeters, 1 oval 6 millimeters, 1 pale yellow 6 millimeters, 1 oval 6 millimeters, 1 light green 6 millimeters, and 1 oval 6 millimeters. Once this base is done, split the wire into 2 strands. The top strand will shape the back. Here you'll want to use brighter colors for contrast. The bottom strand becomes the belly. Softer colors will give a gentler, delicate look. Tail tips. Curve the wire gradually into an S as you bead. Don't wait until the end. Place brighter beads at the strongest curves for sparkle. Every few beads, push everything snug so there are no gaps. Nicely done, your seahorse tail is starting to come alive. Step 2, make the back. On the back strand, thread beads in this order: metal flower, light green bead, metal flower, oval 6 millimeters, metal flower. Repeat this once. Then, dark green bead, metal flower, oval 6 millimeters, metal flower. Again, repeat. After each little set, bend the wire gently to form that natural arched back of a seahorse. Back tips. Balance lighter greens near the tail and move into darker shades toward the head. The flower spacers act like tiny scales and also prevent beads from sliding. Remember, smooth curves, not sharp angles. Keep comparing with your S shape so everything feels natural. Great job! It's really looking like a seahorse now. Step 3. Make the belly. Now onto the belly. String the beads in this exact order. Yellow diamond 4 millimeters, oval 6 millimeters, yellow 6 millimeters, blue rhinestone, light green 6 millimeters, pink flower, light green 6 millimeters, blue rhinestone, moss green 6 millimeters, metal flower, moss green 6 millimeters, white flower, moss green 6 millimeters, metal flower, purple 6 millimeters, purple 10 millimeters, purple 6 millimeters, pink 6 millimeters, multicolor 6 millimeters, metal flower, yellow 6 millimeters, metal flower, multicolor diamond 4 millimeters. Bring the two wires together and pass them through a moss green 6 millimeter bead to create the head base. Belly tips. Go for a gradient, yellow into green, then purple, pink, and multicolor. Add little flower beads for shimmer, like sparkling scales. To make the belly fuller, add extra clear 4 millimeter beads between gaps. And don't forget to curve it softly so it matches the back. Beautiful work, your seahorse body is really taking shape. Step 4. Make the head, then separate them again. Top wire for the arch, bottom wire for the jaw and eyes. For the arch, oval 6 millimeters, yellow 6 millimeters, flower, light green 6 millimeters, flower, moss green 6 millimeters, flower, hexagon bead. Twist once after the hexagon to secure. For the jaw and eyes, deep yellow 6 millimeters, then pass through the other hole of the hexagon to lock. Wrap once to secure. Now finish the head. The top wire continues with green 6 millimeters, orange diamond 4 millimeters, multicolor 4 millimeters, alternating until you reach 4 orange beads total. The bottom wire continues with multicolor 6 millimeters, green 6 millimeters, multicolor 4 millimeters, and finally, black 6 millimeters for the eye. Wrap around the joint once or twice so the eye sits firmly. Form the snout by folding the top wire 2 to 3 times. Add a few small beads on the bottom wire. Then secure and trim. And shaping it with pliers. Curve the snout slightly down for that realistic seahorse look. Head tips. Use a shiny hexagon bead as a crown for sparkle. Black or dark beads make the eye pop with life. Keep the wire snug, but not too tight. Seahorse heads naturally curve downward. Bend gently toward the belly at the end. You're doing great. This is the trickiest part. Step 5. Add belly scales, 3D effect. Cut 20 centimeters, approximately 8 inches, of wire and fold it in half. Wrap it once around the belly base, then split the 2 strands. Each side gets 13 light green diamond beads, 4 millimeters. Curve the wires gently along the belly line, parallel to the back, and then secure them a few beads below the neck. Flatten with pliers so they sit neatly. Belly scale tips. A little asymmetry makes it more natural. Slip in an AB bead or 2 for shimmer. Lovely. Now your seahorse really has dimension. Step 6. Make the fin. Cut 50 centimeters, approximately 20 inches, of white 0.4 millimeter wire. Wrap it 2 to 3 times near the tail to start. Add beads, 4 light green diamond beads, 4 millimeters, each secured with a wrap. Then 4 light green round 6 millimeters, and 3 grass green round 6 millimeters. With each grass green bead, twist several times so the fin rises vertically. For the resin fin piece, thread the wire through, Twist a few times and secure it tightly. Then finish with 3 more grass green 6mm and 4 dark green 6mm, twisting higher each time for a layered effect. Fin tips, fan out the beads into a soft curve. Translucent resin pieces add a magical, watery glow. Nicely done. That fin looks fantastic. Step 7. Finishing touches. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Adjust the whole frame so everything lines up neatly. Shape the classic seahorse curve, arched back, downward head, rounded belly, curled tail. Add a final decoration like a large teardrop or round crystal at the tail tip. For extra sparkle, slip in a few AB beads. Finally, attach a jump ring or chain at the top of the head so you can hang your seahorse wherever you like. This Seahorse Suncatcher works beautifully as a window charm, a car mirror accessory, a keychain, or even a plant decoration. And yours looks amazing. Great job getting this far. And that's it. Your sparkling Seahorse Suncatcher is complete. With its graceful S shape, shimmering colors, and delicate details, it's sure to brighten any space. Thank you for creating with me today. You did such an amazing job. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe to Crystal Flair and leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you'd like to request a design for my next tutorial. I'd love to hear your ideas. And as always, keep shining.